Hi, this is Ed Holmes, West Campus Director of Advising, and this video is to demonstrate how to upload a batch number of students into a Blackboard course. Attached to the email that is with this video, I gave you this template to batch upload. What you want to do is open that up and save it somewhere safe as this original, because this will be a good template to use in the future. I'm going to first make sure that I save it as something other than the original name. I'm just going to call this one for now test 1. And then the important information is to save as type CSV, comma, delimited. So make sure that you keep that. And like I said, I'm just going to, for now, I'm going to put this on my desktop, but you might want to put it somewhere in a file. You're going to say, do you want to keep this format? You say yes. And so on the original one, I've got Charlie Atlas, but you're going to be putting in emails. Well, oops, I hit the capital by mistake. ValenciaCollege.edu. So a lot of times SAS reports and other reports that you might have access to, they're going to have the username, but it also is attached to their email. So imagine I've copied them from a SAS report, and now I've just pasted them in this first thing here. Let's say I had about 30. What I would then do is, first get rid of all the unused X's and S's. S's are actually the indication of that these are going to be students, but the other spots do have to have something in it, so that's why I put the X's. But for the spaces that are not going to be utilized, just like I said, imagine that I've got 30 different students here. Go ahead and hit delete, so that way there's just blank there. I'm going to go up to the top here, and the next thing I want to do is I want to remove this @mail.valenciacollege.edu, because all you want to have left is the username. So, but there's an easy way to do that. What you would do is hit find and select, and then hit replace, and then put in @mail.valenciacollege.edu, and then the replace with, what you're going to do is get your cursor in there and then hit the bar space once, so that you'll have it's being replaced by an empty space, and hit replace all. And it will tell you how many replacements you did. If I had 30, it would have said we made 30 replacements. And then you're going to close this out. Make sure to hit save. It's always going to ask you, do you want to keep this format? You do. You do want this CSV thing. And then what I'm going to do, just for the purposes so this will work, is I'm ready to go. But for my demo, since I don't have 30 Charlies in here, I'm going to delete everybody else, and he's the only one in here. I'll hit my save. So, but imagine it has 30. Now, if you see anything else other than the username, something went wrong, close this out. It's going to ask you when to close. Do you want to save? If you've saved it already, you don't have to save again, or you can if you want. I find it easier just to say no. So there's my test. I then open up Blackboard to the course that I want to go into, so I have one already pre-opened. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to the users, and you're going to go to Batch Enroll Users. And what you're going to do is you're going to find that file that you just saved. So I'm going to hit Browse. I'm going to look on my desktop where I put it, and I'm going to look for test. I'm going to open it up. It's now going to be part of right here. It says file location. I could remove it if I want, but I don't want to. Leave it at automatic for the delimiter type, and then just hit submit. And then it says the following rows were successful. So if I had 30, it would show 30. Try that was found, and it'll say, if somebody's already in the course, it'll give you an error message. But you only need to put somebody in there once. And that's all you have to do, because now if I go in just to double check, Charlie Atlas, lo and behold, is now in this course. So it's really easy to actually upload. I made this video though because instructions are kind of hard, but hopefully my video was helpful. So anyway, good luck. Thank you very much.